TravlFi versus Starlink. What's the difference? Starlink is a satellite internet system involving tens and thousands of low Earth orbit satellites that deliver satellite internet to the customer. TravlFi is a cellular internet provider. We provide data plans using cellular internet services. Here are the pros and cons between Starlink and TravlFi. Starlink, of course, offers high-speed internet via satellite. It works in remote areas. In fact, the original purpose of Starlink was for rural customers. The downside to Starlink is that, of course, it uses satellites. If you have any issues with weather, or if you don't have a clear picture of the sky, your availability of satellite internet may be degraded or just not work at all. With TravlFi cellular internet, we afford you nationwide coverage, multi-carrier support, 4G and 5G data plans, which are comparable in speed to Starlink. With that, TravlFi is easy to set up, can be lower cost, and affords you better mobility. The only downside you may encounter sometimes is availability of cellular coverage. At TravlFi, we can integrate Starlink and TravlFi services together. We can do this by integrating the Starlink terminal and a TravlFi router on a common connection. This allows you the most options for connectivity in the field. With options such as failover, you'll never lose connectivity, whether Starlink or TravlFi would ever drop out. There are a couple ways to achieve this. One way is to basically connect the TravlFi router to one of the LAN ports on the Starlink router, and then because they'll talk to each other, you can pick between the two options for internet sources. So either TravlFi cellular internet or Starlink satellite internet. As well, you can also set up the option to fail over. If the router detects that there's an outage from Starlink, it'll fail back over to cellular. The other option to integrate Starlink together with TravlFi is to disconnect the Starlink router altogether and then use an adapter kit that we offer from TravlFi to integrate the TravlFi router as the main host of the Starlink antenna. Because of the capability of the TravlFi router, you can not only use cellular internet but Starlink through one router. This router alone gives you more options than just the Starlink router does. Along with offering TravlFi service, it can control the Starlink antenna and then give you other options that Starlink routers do not have, such as failover options, firewall options, and more customization. Another reason for integrating Starlink and TravlFi together with just the TravlFi router is that it limits power consumption, cleans up your installation, and provides only one point of connectivity that every device can share, whether it's Starlink or TravlFi. With TravlFi and Starlink combined, you'll never lose connectivity.